Every sound you've ever heard required a physical medium, like air or water, to carry vibrations to your eardrums. Space is a true vacuum, an environment devoid of the air molecules necessary for sound transmission. If two astronauts were floating side by side without their radios, they could scream at the top of their lungs and hear absolutely nothing. Humanity possesses a biology calibrated for a noisy planet, leaving us functionally deaf in the environment of space. This physical reality makes it strange that space agencies frequently release eerie audio recordings from the cosmos. These tracks often feature unnatural characteristics, sounding like rhythmic heartbeats or sharp sci-fi whistles. If the vacuum of space physically kills sound waves, these recordings seem like an impossible contradiction. The reality of the cosmos involves invisible data that operates outside our biological definition of hearing. On Earth, sound is defined as a mechanical wave. These waves only travel when tightly packed physical particles physically collide with one another in a chain reaction. In the emptiness of space, the lack of matter breaks that chain reaction, causing the energy to scatter into the void. Acoustic energy requires a molecular highway to travel on. Without one, the energy has no way to move. However, space is saturated with a completely different classification of energy that thrives in a vacuum. The silence of the void reflects a breakdown in acoustic physics, rather than a lack of actual cosmic movement. The universe is filled with electromagnetic waves, radio signals, plasma activity, and planetary radiation. Electromagnetic energy completely ignores the strict requirements of the vacuum, traveling freely across the universe without needing physical matter. Planets and stars constantly emit these violent, invisible signals in every direction. The entire universe is roaring with energy, but the human ear is the wrong biological antenna to catch it. Humans build specialized deep space equipment to intercept these silent electromagnetic signals. This raw radiation data is then beamed back to massive receiver stations on Earth for processing. Computers then use a mathematical process called sonification to translate this raw data. Software maps the high and low points of radiation data onto high and low audible human frequencies. This audio is a sonic data visualization, a mathematical reconstruction of numbers into audible frequencies. Sonification shows how science can mathematically bridge the gap between our biological limitations and cosmic reality. Generations of scientists have used massive computational engines to decode the universe's invisible math. These eerie whistles and thumps are products of human analysis, designed to help researchers detect patterns that are difficult to see on a standard graph. These recordings represent natural cosmic phenomena processed through human engineering to reveal signals hidden within the radiation. Biological limitations prevent us from experiencing the vacuum directly, but our technology has given the silent universe a voice. The next time you hear a space sound, recognize it as a translation of pure data. We transform mysterious science into clear, understandable truths. Like the video if you learned something new, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which cosmic mystery we should decode next.